KLM, like many European airlines, offers both business class and economy class on their European flights. Today I will be looking at their fleet of Boeing 737s and comparing business class to economy class. Join me to see how good KLM is and whether they're worth your money. Hello and welcome to the video. I am starting off in Warsaw flying KLM business class to Amsterdam. Business class passengers get access to one of Warsaw Airport's many lounges. The lounge I was in was pretty quiet at this time of day. The food was okay, drink choices were good, but most importantly this lounge was very comfortable. There was plenty of space to relax in the lounge, but sadly no apron or runway views. Taking me to Amsterdam was this nearly 25-year-old Boeing 737-800, registered Papa Hotel Bravo X-ray November. It was delivered brand new to KLM on December 16, 2000. Being a business class passenger gets you Sky Priority Group 1 boarding.
My name is Monique Spruit, and on behalf of Captain Van Dam and the entire crew, I wish you a warm welcome on this flight to Amsterdam. Our flight time today will be 1 hour and 45 minutes. We would like to extend a special welcome to our Flying Blue members. And in a moment I would like to explain a few things about the safety on board.
Now that I'm on my way to Amsterdam, let's have a look at the seat and service. Business class passengers enjoy 33 inches of pitch. The tray table is standard and adjustable. Shortly after takeoff, a cold meal box was served. The box consisted of a pesto and mozzarella pasta, barbecue almonds and macarons. Business class passengers get to choose a wide selection of drinks. This time I went for coffee. Prior to landing, a smoothie was also served. That is pretty much all for the KLM business class experience. Let's quickly sum it up. You get lounge access, priority boarding, and a blocked middle seat for extra comfort. The lounge at Warsaw was quite good, although nothing beats the KLM Crown lounges. On board you get served a cold meal and a wide selection of drinks. All in all, it is a very comfortable and pleasant experience. Definitely one of my favourite ways to travel with KLM.
are fastened until the fasten seatbelt signs have been switched off. Please be careful when opening the overhead compartments, as items may have shifted and could fall out. You can now switch on the mobile services on your phone again. Other electronic devices must remain stowed until we arrive at the gate. On behalf of the entire crew, thank you for flying KLM. It was a pleasure having you on board with us today. We wish you a good stay in the Netherlands or a pleasant onward journey. We hope to see you again soon.
That is all for the business class section of this video. Now it's time to look at the economy class offering. Taking me to Zurich was this nearly 24-year-old Boeing 737-900 registered Papa Hotel Bravo X-Ray Sierra. It was delivered brand new to KLM on October 27, 2001.
And on behalf of the entire crew, I wish you a warm welcome aboard this flight to Zurich. And we extend a special welcome to our own Flying Club members. In a few moments I would like to explain a few things about the safety on board.
Let's now take a look at the seat area. The seat pitch in economy is 30 inches. The tray table is exactly the same as in business class. All seats on the Boeing 737s do recline. KLM offers a sandwich or a snack as well as drinks in economy class. On today's flight, the option was a sandwich. The Boeing 737s are in a 3-3 layout and business class has the middle seat blocked. In the seat pocket you will find the all-important safety card and the Holland Herald magazine. The contents is exactly the same in business and economy. Let's now sum up the KLM economy class experience. The good thing about KLM's economy service is you still get served a sandwich or a snack and drinks. On the older 737s, the seat comfort is identical, no matter if you're sat in economy or business class. However, the refurbished 737s and A321neos, as well as the Embraer E195-E2s, have different seats in economy class. Those seats do not offer any headrests or recline, however, they are still good for short flights around Europe. Now comes the important part. What would I rather choose? I am happy flying in economy. The service is good and the staff are extremely friendly. I do like flying in business class for the added comfort and lounge access. Especially on busy flights, you won't have anyone sitting next to you. I will leave the final decision to you, but I recommend both business and economy class. One more thing, at check-in you can sometimes upgrade to business class for much cheaper. You don't have any extra baggage, but you get to experience KLM's hospitality and relax in the lounges at the airport.
You can now switch on the mobile services on your phone again. Other electronic devices must remain.
Thank you for watching. I have reviewed Condor's A321neos, so I will link that at the end of the video. While we're on the topic of Condor, I'll be on the inaugural flight from Gatwick to Frankfurt next week, and that video will be out next Saturday. I'll see you then.